Halloween becomes even more magical when your car turns into a smiling destination that kids can't wait to visit. This officially licensed Paw Patrol Trunk or Treat Decoration Kit is designed to instantly transform your trunk into a fun, colorful, and family-friendly Halloween display that stands out at any event. Featuring beloved characters like Chase, Marshall, and the rest of the Paw Patrol crew, this kit creates an inviting atmosphere that delights children and parents alike. Made from 100% coated paper with Kiss-Cut printed cutouts, each piece looks vibrant, clean, and eye-catching. The set includes 3 large character sheets and 24 pieces of double-stick foam, making setup quick and stress-free even if you are decorating at the last minute. Simply position the cutouts, secure them with the included foam, and your trunk is ready to impress in minutes. No tools, no complicated instructions, just easy fun. This Paw Patrol-themed trunk or treat kit is perfect for cars, SUVs, and trucks and works beautifully for neighborhood events, school functions, church gatherings, and community celebrations. The materials are safe and suitable for all ages, allowing everyone to enjoy the experience without worry. The cheerful design encourages smiles, photos, and social media likes while creating memorable moments for kids during Halloween night. Designed with quality and care, the decorations are easy to maintain with simple spot cleaning, helping them look great throughout the event. Whether you are decorating for your own children, grandchildren, or your community, this kit delivers a joyful and welcoming look that truly captures the spirit of trunk or treat. If you want a Halloween setup that is simple, fun, and guaranteed to be a hit with kids, this Paw Patrol Trunk or Treat Kit is a smart choice. Check the link in the video description to see current availability and pricing. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to discover more festive decorations and family-friendly products for every season.